happens is that the hearing interpreter will listen to what's being said and change that a little bit for me to understand it clearly, and then I change it into full-fledged ASL, which is what deaf people often use and is the most important way for them to get vital information. People have asked me why I'm so animated, and the facial expression and finger spelling, all of that is involved with ASL grammatical structure. So it is an important part of the language. And the facial expression, they can understand that what I'm saying, whereas people of normal hearing use vocal inflection in order to make stress things and to make sure that people understand the points. That's how I use my facial expressions. If something's serious, if something's a little mellower, I can show that with my facial expression, and so that all of us are in the same boat.